Top of the day, everybody. It's Weldon here at the computer shop, and today it's not about politics, or which I should never be posting about anyway, or anything that upsets me or anything. We had a bit of an emergency issue here at the house yesterday that I wanted to kind of share with you. So if it happens, so maybe this doesn't happen to you. So the noise you hear are the fans, and I'll show you the fans of the dehumidifier that happen. Now this can happen to you if you've got central air. This is not something that you're immune to, but you'll see here the dehumidifier that was left, and there are several of these large air handlers that had to be put into the house yesterday. We had to rip our parquet floor in our basement out because the air conditioner was not properly draining. So I'm going to show you how to check your air conditioner so you don't have water damage like we've suffered. So I'm going to stop the video for a second, switch over to my other camera, and I'll walk you through what to look for. Okay, so we are coming back here by my furnace, which is a little hard to get to because all the air handlers. My air conditioning system is running. So what you want to look for, the drain pipe off your air conditioner, you just want to kind of look down to that in there and see if it's dripping. And you'll see that it is. So we know that the air conditioner is draining its water properly. Now it wasn't draining its water properly, and it filled the base of my air conditioner up and leaked all the way out across the floor, and I've got water damage all over the place because of it. But let me show you how to clean this. It's not a hard process to clean. What you need is a garden hose or perhaps a shop vac. What happens is you get some probably algae buildup in the air conditioner, and here's where the clean out is. And what you do is you shove the hose into this clean out, and if everything is okay, you should get a high flow of water coming into your drain, which is over there. So hopefully this is a little bit of advice on helping you avoid the disaster that we had. I'm not an HVAC professional, but I don't want to see anybody go through the same type of mess as you can see here. That we're going through. So that's how to clean out your air conditioning water drain. And if you do have a problem, leave a comment below, and I can recommend to you a good air conditioning person in your area based on Better Business Bureau, personal what a mess, personal experience and whatnot. Have a good day, everybody. Stay dry, stay cool.